Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Way. Today in this tutorial we will discuss the NPTEL assignment 2 solution of IoT. We already discussed assignment 1. Now we are going to discuss the assignment number 2. So by watching this video you can get the solutions of all assignment 2 questions. So here all questions are objective types. First question is, which industrial revolution is coined as the second machine age by Professor Eric Bridgeofson and Andrew McAfee of MIT? First option is first industrial revolution, second option is second industrial revolution, option C is third industrial revolution, option D is fourth industrial revolution. So right answer will be D, fourth industrial revolution. Second question is, automation in manufacturing system, computers, the internet and usage of renewable energies are some of the advancement in technologies which took place during the first option is first industrial revolution, option B is second industrial revolution, option C is third industrial revolution and option D is fourth industrial revolution. So right answer will be fourth industrial revolution. Next question is, which of the following is our probable tipping points in 2025? Option A is intergalactic travels. Option B is clothes connected to the internet. Option C is Mars exploration. Option D is AI with human emotions. Right answer will be option B, clothes connected to the internet. Next question is, which of the following is provided in a sustainable industry? Option A is renewable energy, option B low toxic gas emission, option C low waste production, option D high value products. So right answer will be low waste productions. Next question is, which of the following is an example of information and communication technology? Option A enterprise resource planning, option B global positioning system, option C radio frequency identification system, option D is all of the above. So right answer will be all of the above. Next question is, how many different categories of countries are there based on population growth? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4 and option D 5. Right answer will be option B. Next question is, which of the following is an optimistic view of population growth? Option A enhances the economic growth. Option B is consumes most of the economic investments in safety needs for schools, hospitals, universities. Option C is increases globalization issues such as trade and commerce. And option D is none of the above. So right answer will be option C, increase globalization issue such as trade and commerce. Next question is, which company developed lean production system? Option A Hyundai Motor Company, option B Honda Motor Company, option C Kia Corporation and option D Toyota Motor Corporation. So right answer will be Toyota Motor Corporation. Next question is, why should companies implement lean approach? Option A increase product quality, option B improved lead time, option C cost efficient, option D all of the above. So right answer will be all of the above. Next question is, which of the following cannot be considered as a medium of getting smart and connected? Option A embedded system, option B cloud computing, option C manufacturing system, option D sensors. So right answer will be option C. Next question is, what are the four key attributes of smart business models? Option A value addition, revenue enhancement and technologies. Option B value proposition, revenue centralization and technologies. Option C value addition, revenue streams and emerging trends. Option D value proposition, revenue streams and technologies. So right answer will be option D, value proposition, revenue streams and technologies. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? So option A, physical layer is responsible for collecting and acquiring data from object or environment. Option B, digital layer process the data. Option C, physical layer is equipped with microcontrollers and sensors. Option D, all of the above. So right answer will be all of the above. Next question is a flexible system that can self-optimize performance across a broader network, self-adapt to and learn from new condition in real or near real time, and autonomously run entire production processes. So option A is lean production system, option B automation system, option C smart factory, and option D is smart city. So right answer will be smart factory. Next question is which of the following is not a component of smart factory? First option is smart engineering, second option is smart machines, third option is data analysis, and the last option is smart ideas. So right answer will be smart ideas. Next question is which of the following is the use of big data analytics in smart factories? Option A, improving value streams. Option B, future prediction. Option C, key performance indicator. And option D, all of the above. So right answer will be all of the above. So this is how we have completed our assignment 2 solution of IoT. So if you like this video, then you can subscribe our channel and you can get proper notification of uploaded videos, and we are going to upload all the assignments of NPTEL IoT course. One more thing I want to add here. I want to give special thanks to Mr. Dinesh Swami, help us to provide solutions of these assignments. Thank you very much.